So a lot of time we have problems when you, in here I've got the a place for my headboard, which is, it comes off, and so it's got a big hole there. Sometimes you can buy something which is bigger, and that thing will come off as well. So I got to make this thing to work properly, and you don't need to have buy a lot of things. And it's another easy way, because will happen quite frequently in a household. And then something like a lot of things, if you want to put a screw to the jig board, and something like you want to hang the curtains or any other things, which is quite heavy, and it's really easy to the screw will come off. So now there's an easy way I do it, which is and normally you just go and measure about that size of the hole. You cut a piece of wood. So because that wall thick is about 10 millimeters, so you don't cut too long. So say for example I cut thing, say like small piece like this, go through the hole. Okay, and then you drill a hole, which is a small one, as long as the screw can go through, and that's a small hole. Okay, so after that you make sure the screw go through it and it's not crack. So I'll put the screwdriver. Now put the screw through. So it's no problem, it's no crack. Okay? So you take that off, and then you cut this piece. So it's very simple. After you cut this piece, then you put a little string through. Put the string through the hole. Because that's thick enough for the string to go through. If it's a bit hard to go through, you get a little nail. To help you get through. Right, so when the strings come through, and then you tied it up. Okay? So now, you start putting this through the hole. So make sure this area is the hole here. So you start feeding through the hole, and go through. Go through the hole, and then you put it back. So now we got the hole there. Then we start putting this. Make sure you put this one on first, and then you feed that screw through. So you find the hole. Should be very easy, because if you tie that up properly, and whatever the string goes through the hole should be there. So when you find the hole, you tie it up. So you got to pull it back a little bit for that piece thing to wood to go through. So now it's really tight here now. So it's very, very tight. So this thing, you can put a lot of things in there, okay, because the whole thing is holding the whole jig ball, okay, it's very tight, there's nothing in there. So this is another one of the trick for fixing the nails, the screws, not the nail, the screws and the plates go into the jig ball.